Imagine you are wrapping up your day in the office and suddenly your boss drops by. He says, "Hey, can you share some competitive insights for tomorrow's meeting?" You are taken aback. What now? But boss is boss. You start your research frantically. Your screen already looks like a battlefield. 10 tabs open, 5 PDFs half read, and a dozen Excel sheets waiting for your attention. You are racing against time, and the more you search, the more you research, the less clear the picture becomes. We have all been there. Too little time or too much information, but no clear insights. But thanks to AI, those days are gone. Today, AI tools can do in seconds what used to take hours and even days. They can scan reports, extract insight, and even show you sources of information, all while you sip your evening coffee. In this video, I will show you one single tool that can transform the way you research, analyze, and make business decisions. It's called Perplexity, and it's one of the smartest AI assistants I have ever used. I personally use the Pro version because it lets me upload documents and get deeper insights, but even the free version is powerful enough to transform how you research. Hi, I'm Rajul Kumar, and welcome to Grow with RK, where we help professionals like you work smarter, lead better, and stay relevant in the age of AI. Over the last few months, I have tried more than probably 10 AI tools for research and insight generation like ChatGPT, Bing Copilot, Site, Elicit, Consensus, you name it. Some were too technical, some were too expensive, and some just gave generic results. But there was one tool that stood out: Perplexity. It's fast, it's reliable, and it's designed for professionals like you and me, managers, consultants, analysts, who need credible insights quickly to make confident decisions. Before I dive in, one request. If you are new here and find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. It really helps me create more videos for professionals like you. Now, let's go. Let me explain what Perplexity really is, because this is where it stands apart from every other AI tool you have seen. Think of it as Google and ChatGPT rolled into one, but actually smarter than both combined. Here is why. Google shows you links, hundreds of them, and leaves you to figure it out. ChatGPT gives you words fluent, but not always factuals. Perplexity does both. It searches the internet in real time, finds the most credible sources, and then summarizes them instantly in clean, structured language. And what makes Perplexity truly powerful is how interactive it is. You are not just typing questions into a search box, you are actually having a conversation with your research assistant. You ask one question, get an answer, and then build on it. Let's say your first question is about real estate market in India. You can instantly follow up with, now compare this with Southeast Asia. Or, what are some policy incentives driving real estate in India? The more questions you ask, the more refined your output becomes. That's what makes Perplexity feel different. It's not a search engine, it's a thinking partner, an AI that grows with your curiosity, not one that restarts with every query. Let's break down why Perplexity is such a powerful tool. First, speed and clarity. What used to take half a day of reading now takes 5 minutes. The summaries are short, clean, and structured, perfect for slide decks or executive summaries. Second, business focused intelligence. It pulls data from credible sources like Reuters, Forbes, McKinsey, Harvard Business Review, government portals, not from random blogs. So you get decision quality information, not noise. Third, accessibility. Anyone can use it. If you can type a Google search, you can use Perplexity. No technical background needed, no long prompts, just plain English questions. Fourth is affordability. The Pro version costs just $20 a month or around 1800 rupees per month in India. That's less than a lunch outing, and it saves hours of your time every week. And there is even a free version for basic searches that is good enough for 90% of your requirement. Fifth, document uploads. This is my favorite feature. You can upload PDFs, reports, or research papers and then ask, summarize the key findings or extract the top 5 recommendations from this document. Perplexity reads and summarizes it instantly like an analyst who never gets tired. And finally, reliability. That's very important. Every answer includes source links. You can open them, verify the facts, and quote confidently in your report. That means no AI hallucination, no fake data, just verifiable insights. Now, let's be realistic. Perplexity isn't perfect. It's not a database of premium reports like you would get from Gartner or AlphaSense. It works with open web data. But for 90% of real world business use cases, market scans, trend analysis, strategy notes, client briefs, it's more than enough. Use it whenever you need quick, credible insights. If I had to recommend just one AI tool for business research and decision making for mid level managers, consultants, and analysts, it would be Perplexity. It hits the perfect balance between speed and substance, simplicity and depth, and affordability and authority. With this, we come to the end of this video. If this video helped you, share it with someone in your team who has been spending too much time researching the old way. Also, do not forget to like this video and subscribe Grow with RK for new videos that will help you work smarter, lead better, and stay relevant in the age of AI. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. This is RK signing off.